Most people assume that to get premium luxury, unshakable long-term reliability, and space for a growing family, you have to march into a dealership and drop $60,000 or $70,000. They get talked into heavy 5-year finance packages for high-status badges, thinking they are investing in a superior piece of automotive engineering. But I bet your opinion will be 100% changed by the end of this video. Today, we are exploring 10 incredible value-packed SUVs that make every other vehicle on the market look like an absolute ripoff. We are stripping away the corporate marketing fluff and focusing on pure mechanical value retention, class-defying standard features, and the exact engineering secrets that keep your hard-earned money right inside your wallet. Let's count them down from number 10 to number 1. Number 10. The budget urban giant Chevrolet Trailblazer. The compact crossover segment is crowded with options that quickly spin out of control once you start checking option boxes. But the Chevrolet Trailblazer completely exposes the pricing greed of its competitors by delivering a highly refined driving experience for a fraction of the cost. While other brands strip out basic comfort items on their entry-level trims, Chevrolet includes a massive, high-contrast digital display and full smartphone connectivity as standard equipment, refusing to force buyers into paying premium trim markups. Under the hood, the Trailblazer utilizes a highly optimized Ecotec turbocharged engine. This small displacement block balances its internal pressures seamlessly, allowing the vehicle to deliver immediate low-end torque for quick city lane changes while burning minimal fuel. The engine operates under relaxed parameters during everyday highway cruising, protecting internal seals from premature degradation. From a packaging perspective, the interior cabin layout defies its compact footprint. The rear seats fold completely flat to accommodate large hardware boxes, groceries, or mobility aids with ease. Chevrolet utilized smart geometry to maximize passenger legroom, ensuring adults can sit comfortably in the back row without their knees pressing against the front seats. It is an exceptionally smart, low-cost utility asset that handles daily errands effortlessly while completely avoiding the inflated price tag of its direct compact rivals. Number 9. The all-wheel drive bargain, Subaru Crosstrek. If you live in an environment plagued by unpredictable weather, rainstorms, or loose gravel roads, the standard automotive industry solution is to upsell you a heavy, truck-based four-wheel drive system that ruins your daily fuel economy. The Subaru Crosstrek makes that entire corporate sales pitch look like a bad deal by offering their legendary, permanent, symmetrical all-wheel drive system as a baseline standard across the entire model lineup. Unlike part-time electronic systems that wait for a tire to slip before sending power to the opposite axle, Subaru's mechanical setup splits power continuously to all four wheels. This design creates a natural physics shield, anchoring the chassis to the slippery asphalt and providing absolute stability without requiring the driver to fiddle with complex terrain management screens. Mechanically, the Crosstrek is built around the UN Killable, naturally aspirated boxer four-cylinder engine. Because the pistons move horizontally rather than vertically, the engine sits exceptionally flat and low within the subframe. This configuration balances the vehicle's center of gravity naturally, reducing secondary vibrations that wear down rubber motor mounts and exhaust hangers over time. The car-based chassis is wrapped in rugged body armor, protecting vulnerable rocker panels from stone chips and rust. It provides genuine go-anywhere capability and unshakable long-term durability for a price tag that leaves mainstream competitors looking heavily overpriced. Number 8. The silent value disruptor, Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The mainstream hybrid crossover market has been dominated by a single player for over a decade, allowing prices to climb steadily higher. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid completely shatters that monopoly by delivering a highly sophisticated dual-propulsion powertrain packed with standard features that other brands restrict to their top-tier premium lines. The engineering brilliance of the Tucson Hybrid lies in its high-voltage integration. Instead of using a noisy, rubber band feeling, continuously variable transmission, Hyundai bolts its electric traction motor directly to a traditional, crisp-shifting 6-speed automatic gearbox. This mechanical configuration eliminates the disconnected driving dynamics common in hybrids, giving the driver immediate, linear throttle response while keeping fuel consumption remarkably low. The electric motor handles the high-torque, high-friction moments of moving the vehicle away from a complete stop, effectively shielding the turbocharged gas engine from low-speed wear cycles. Inside the cabin, the build quality punches well above its price bracket, utilizing extensive sound-dampening insulation and soft-touch materials that isolate passengers from harsh road noise. With a generous long-term factory warranty backing the complex electronics, the Tucson Hybrid delivers a premium, highly efficient daily commuting experience that makes luxury brand alternatives look like financial mistakes. Number 7. The over-engineered compact Kia Sportage Hybrid. Sharing a mechanical lineage with its corporate cousin but executing a completely distinct design language is the Kia Sportage Hybrid. This vehicle makes traditional compact SUVs look like bad deals by maximizing physical dimension constraints, offering an interior cabin space that closely rivals mid-size vehicles while retaining a small, city-friendly outer footprint. The Sportage Hybrid utilizes an intelligent high-voltage battery layout tucked neatly beneath the rear passenger seats. This design leaves the cargo floor pan exceptionally low and completely flat, allowing you to load heavy luggage, sports gear, or large grocery hauls without straining your lower back. The dual propulsion framework pairs an efficient electric motor with a high-strength combustion engine block. By using solid-state power inverters to balance the electrical load, the Sportage Hybrid erases the need for a traditional alternator or belt-driven starter motor, systematically removing high-wear mechanical failure points from the engine bay. The dashboard infrastructure features an expensive-looking, curved, digital panoramic screen that displays vital trip data clearly under blinding direct sunlight. When you factor in the massive list of standard safety monitors, lane-keeping assists, and collision avoidance systems included without extra cost, the Sportage Hybrid stands as a premier value asset that exposes the pricing greed of the legacy automotive establishment. Number 6. The mechanical purist Mazda CX-50. As modern manufacturers rush to downsize their engines into high-strung, tiny 3-cylinder turbo setups linked to fragile transmissions, Mazda has taken a fiercely conservative stance with the CX-50. This rugged crossover makes every other compact SUV look like a bad deal. By sticking to a proven formula of mechanical simplicity and premium material durability. Under the hood sits a large displacement, naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It produces smooth power without relying on high-pressure turbochargers, meaning internal operating temperatures stay remarkably low, preserving vacuum lines, gaskets, and seals for decades. Power is routed through a traditional heavy-duty 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission that completely sidesteps the unreliability and high repair bills associated with modern continuously variable transmissions. Mazda packages this bulletproof drivetrain inside a widened reinforced steel chassis equipped with their advanced all-wheel drive programming. The interior design borrows heavily from luxury automotive philosophies, utilizing contrast-stitched leather upholstery, physical climate control toggles, and orthopedic front seating structures that reduce driving fatigue on extended road trips. The CX-50 drives with the refined confidence of an expensive European machine, but carries the ultra-low maintenance blueprint of a basic economy hatchback. Number 5. The family space master, Kia Sorento. When a family outgrows a standard 2-row crossover, the automotive market typically forces them into a massive truck-based 3-row tank that carries a crushing upfront invoice and terrible daily fuel economy. The Kia Sorento makes that entire upgrade path look like a bad deal by packaging legitimate 3-row utility into a highly maneuverable, right-sized, mid-size footprint. The interior seating architecture utilizes highly flexible sliding second-row captain's chairs, allowing passengers to access the third row effortlessly without tumbling heavy seat structures. Mechanically, the Sorento is engineered to operate on a low-stress plane, balancing its chassis weight evenly across a reinforced suspension framework to reduce premature tire and brake pad wear. The dashboard controls are explicit. High-contrast buttons located within easy physical reach of the driver, ensuring you never have to take your eyes off the road to manage simple fan speeds or media volumes. By avoiding the bulk of a full-size, full-frame SUV, the Sorento remains incredibly nimble in tight suburban parking lots and drive-thrus, while cutting your weekly fueling costs in half. It provides the exact space and safety protection a growing family needs without demanding the traditional financial sacrifices. Number 4. The visibility standard, Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has built a legendary reputation within the automotive community by executing a complete war on modern design blind spots. While other brands sacrifice glass area for aggressive, sweeping exterior rooflines, the Forester utilizes a tall, upright cabin frame with ultra-slim structural pillars. This design creates a panoramic greenhouse that offers near 360-degree situational visibility. Senior drivers and families enjoy an open, stress-free view of the road, making highway lane adjustments and backing out of busy parking spaces safe and simple without relying solely on camera feeds. The latest generations introduce highly optimized hybrid and gas boxer powertrains that sit low in the frame rails, providing an exceptionally stable, vibration-free ride down the highway. The floor pan step in height sits at the exact natural height of an adult's hip line, meaning you never have to strain your knees climbing up into the cabin or pull your lower back lifting yourself out of a deep seat well. With standard symmetrical all-wheel drive anchoring the wheels to the dirt or snow, and a reputation for holding its resale value better than almost anything else in its class, the Forester makes aerodynamic, low-visibility alternatives look like poorly calculated risks. Number 3. The premium alternative, Toyota Crown Signia. For the driver who wants to move into a premium, high-status luxury vehicle but refuses to accept the catastrophic depreciation and high-maintenance invoices that plague high-end European brands, the Toyota Crown Signia is the ultimate choice. This sophisticated mid-size crossover delivers a level of cabin quietness and ride smoothness that matches vehicles costing $20,000 more, while running on a bulletproof, low-cost mechanical foundation. The Crown Signia features a highly refined 5th-generation hybrid system that operates on a pure electronic tag-team approach. At low speeds, the vehicle cruises silently on electric power alone. When highway acceleration is demanded, the highly efficient, naturally aspirated combustion engine fires up seamlessly to take over the load. The cabin is lined with thick acoustic glass and intensive sound-deadening blankets that absorb tire roar and wind turbulence before they can reach your ears. Because it shares its core electrical and mechanical architecture with mainstream Toyota models, replacement parts are inexpensive and readily available at any neighborhood auto store. The Crown Signia allows you to travel in absolute luxury while keeping your long-term ownership costs anchored to economy car levels, making traditional premium brands look like bad investments. Number 2. The Resale King, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. It is impossible to build a list of vehicles that expose the flaws of the automotive market without highlighting the undisputed champion of capital preservation, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This spectacular machine makes every other compact crossover look like a complete financial trap because of its legendary bulletproof reliability and unmatched value retention in the used car market. While other mainstream vehicles lose half of their original retail value within the first few years, a well-maintained RAV4 Hybrid maintains an unshakable asset floor that protects your personal savings. The newest generations double down on this value dominance by transitioning to an exclusively electrified lineup, completely dropping old-fashioned gas-only engines. Toyota has introduced its highly responsive 5th-generation hybrid system to the chassis, pairing a refined 2.5-liter engine with upgraded electric motors to pump out up to 236 horsepower. This system works smoothly without any weird or jerky transitions between gas and electric power. During stop-and-go city driving, the vehicle leans heavily on pure electric propulsion, which keeps fuel economy numbers climbing to outstanding heights. The engineering under the hood relies on an electronic, continuously variable transmission, which uses planetary gear sets instead of traditional high-friction belts or launch clutches. This layout erases common mechanical wear components entirely, ensuring the transmission can survive decades of daily commuting without experiencing a breakdown. Furthermore, the regenerative braking system uses the electric motor's magnetic resistance to slow the vehicle down, capturing that kinetic energy to recharge the high-voltage battery pack while leaving the physical brake pads and rotors completely untouched until you drop below walking speeds. Inside, the cabin gets a massive tech upgrade with a standard 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an optional 12.9-inch multimedia touchscreen that looks completely built in rather than stuck on as an afterthought. It is a highly optimized, incredibly reliable machine that pays dividends every single mile you drive, setting a value standard that no competitor can match. Number 1. The 3-row masterpiece, Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Sitting at the absolute top of our list as the definitive premier value vehicle on the global market is the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. This spectacular machine completely eliminates the need to buy a massive, clumsy, truck-based full-size SUV. It provides an expansive interior space featuring genuine adult-size legroom across all 3 rows of seats, and a massive rear cargo area that can swallow heavy luggage and strollers simultaneously, all while riding on a smooth, car-based platform. Passengers in the 3rd row enjoy extensive additional legroom and shoulder room, compared to standard mid-size crossovers, which dramatically increases this vehicle's people-hauling capability. The Grand Highlander Hybrid completely disrupts the large family vehicle segment by delivering outstanding fuel efficiency numbers that put traditional fuel-chugging family haulers to absolute shame. The standard hybrid powertrain combines a refined 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors to produce a net 245 combined horsepower, running power through an electronically controlled transmission. For drivers demanding sports car acceleration, Toyota offers an optional performance hybrid system that cranks out a monstrous 362 combined horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Both configurations allow the vehicle to split the massive kinetic workload effortlessly between high-torque electric motors and a low-stress combustion cycle. The ride quality is exceptionally polished, utilizing a rigid chassis design that absorbs deep potholes and highway expansion joints without sending harsh vibrations through the steering wheel or passenger seats. Every interior touchpoint is wrapped in durable, high-quality materials engineered to handle decades of family abuse without wearing down. Standard equipment is incredibly generous, featuring 7 USB charging ports located across all 3 rows, a standard 12.3-inch audio multimedia touchscreen, and an advanced active safety suite featuring the latest detection and driver assist technologies. When you look at the total package, the incredible fuel savings, the class-leading cabin space, the low maintenance costs, and Toyota's legendary build quality, the Grand Highlander Hybrid makes every other large SUV on the market look like an absolute waste of money. You don't need to bleed your bank account dry or sign up for a crushing car payment just to drive a safe, reliable, and highly capable vehicle. The automotive establishment wants you to focus on high-status marketing hype, but the road to long-term financial freedom belongs to vehicles engineered with real mechanical value and durability. If you had to invest your hard-earned money into one of these value powerhouses today, which one is parking in your garage? Are you going with the bulletproof simplicity of the Mazda CX-50, the absolute resale security of the RAV4 Hybrid, or the massive family space of the Grand Highlander? Drop your thoughts down in the comments section below. Let's fight it out. Hit that subscribe button to keep your capital safe from dealership markup scams. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.